Hello guys, welcome to the channel. I think this will be my first face video. So as many of you might know that I got this MacBook Pro actually, like around June I guess. I really like this laptop, but the only problem I'm facing right now is for a few of my classes and day-to-day tasks, I would need an x86 based machine, which is either Intel or AMD. And I was looking for cheaper options, and I got this Asus laptop for around $800, I guess, if I'm not wrong. I got this in the month of August, and I guess there is a micro center near my home. I went over there and got this laptop, but to be honest, I don't use Windows that much and I really don't like Windows. But since I have a laptop right now and I need to use it for my day-to-day tasks, I am planning to upgrade the SSD of this laptop and installing Ubuntu uh, Ubuntu operating system on this laptop. Although this laptop I bought for comes with a 500 gigs of memory and 16 gigs of RAM, I got this Crucial P3 Plus SSD for around around $60, I guess, and I am planning to install this drive into this laptop and making a Ubuntu bootable machine. So to start with, what we can do is we can unscrew all the screws over here. I have this tool which I got like 2 years ago, I guess. I'm still using this. I'll try to use this to get rid of all screws. So to open this up, we would need some kind of thing which I have. Yep. And so why not there? So to start with, the only thing I hate with this machine is it only comes with one NVMe slot where I can install an SSD. There is a room for upgrading the RAM. Currently it has 16 gigs of RAM. I think that should be more than enough for now, but down the line, if I need, I can upgrade it. So what I will do is I will take out the new drive, place it over here, and take out the older drive first. I think this is from Samsung. I'm not sure which brand the SSD. Yeah, it is a Samsung SSD. And now I just need to install this one in here. And just like that, we have changed the SSD for the machine over here. I think this is the Wi-Fi chip. The antenna should be over here. Now we can go ahead and close the machine. Just like that. And after some press, yep, I think all the slots are closed. And just as we open, we need to screw everything back. Mhm. Let me grab the power charging brick for the laptop, and I already have a bootable drive. I flash this with Ubuntu. You can flash any OS that you want. Okay, so now what I will do is I will plug in this into a USB port and turn the machine on, and let me get into the BIOS of the machine. F2. Okay, so the boot drive is currently set as my USB drive. I will exit out of here. Let me connect the power supply, the charging brick, so that we don't lose in between. And let's wait a minute for this. We want to try or install Ubuntu. Okay, so now that it's done, I think I can restart this. Let us take out the USB drive and enter, and that should do it. So, and just like that, we have installed Ubuntu in our machine. I would not sign up for Ubuntu Pro for now. Nope, I don't want to share system data. Finish. So that is it. If you like the video, please do consider subscribing and leave some comments. Let me know if you want to see any more such videos. Bye bye.